Can a company change its registered office in India? Yes, it can, but only by following proper legal procedures under the Companies Act 2013. In this video, I'll explain when you can change your registered office, the 4 different cases, and the exact step-by-step process you need to follow. So if you're a business owner, startup founder, or compliance professional, this video is for you. Yes, companies are allowed to change their registered office, but the process depends on where you are shifting, within the same city, same state, or from one state to another. Each case has a different legal requirement. To change the registered office, approvals are mandatory. In most cases, you need board resolution, and in some cases, shareholder approval through a special resolution. All filings are done on the MCA portal using prescribed forms. Why do companies change their registered office in India? It usually depends on where the company is shifting. There are 4 main scenarios. Case 1. If the company shifts within the same city, only a board resolution is required. This is the simplest case. Case 2. If the shift is within the same state and same ROC, the company needs both board resolution and special resolution from shareholders. Case 3. If the office is moved to a different ROC within the same state, then approvals become stricter. Here you need board resolution, special resolution, and regional director approval. And when a company shifts its registered office from one state to another, this is the most complex process. It requires board resolution, special resolution, and regional director approval. So before shifting your registered office, always check which case applies to your company, because the compliance process depends entirely on this. If your company is shifting the registered office within the same city, the process is simple. Step 1. Pass a board resolution. Step 2. File Form INC-22 within 30 days. Step 3. Submit address proof documents like utility bill, rent agreement or ownership proof, NOC from owner. No shareholder approval is required in this case. When shifting the registered office within the same state and same ROC, the process becomes slightly formal. Step 1. Pass board resolution. Step 2. Take shareholder approval through special resolution. Step 3. File MGT-14. Step 4. File INC-22. Here, shareholder consent is mandatory before MCA filing. If your company is shifting to another ROC within the same state, you'll need regional director approval. Steps include board resolution, special resolution, filing MGT-14, filing INC-23 for RD approval. After approval, file INC-28 and INC-22. This case involves extra regulatory oversight. This is the most complex case. When shifting from one state to another, you must pass board and special resolution, alter memorandum of association, publish advertisement in English and vernacular newspapers, inform creditors and debenture holders, take approval from regional director. After approval, file INC-28 within 60 days and INC-22 within 30 days. To summarize, same city, board resolution, same state and ROC, board plus special resolution. Different ROC, RD approval needed. State change, MOA alteration plus RD approval. Only state-to-state shifting requires MOA change. If you need help with changing your registered office in India, Mercurius is here to guide you from start to finish. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.